Aye.
Oi,
What you cook today?
I go to jerk chicken and barbecue chicken today.
You not fry no chicken?
No, me not bother with the fried chicken.
Suppose the people them come here and them ask for fried chicken.
What me say? Me not bother with fried chicken.
And if the people come here ask for oxtail, what me fi tell them?
Me not response for that.
What?
Put it on the board out there. Jerk barbecue. As them tap in them seat.
Alright, but you always a cook fried chicken.
So weird. It sound like you care more about the customer than the business.
But me no.
Make I ask you a question. You see any authentic Jamaican restaurant round here?
You know there is no Jamaican restaurant round the place.
Alright. So there and then are two things when them come inside here. Number one, them hungry. Number two, them want authentic Jamaican food.
This is true.
Out of life, know this. You tell the customer, you tell the people them. You not always get where you want out of life. Life give you something, you decide if you want to take it or not. If them no want what we have on the board, them can go. Me no response for that.
But Kaji, and that you want me to tell the people them at the counter?
That is how casuals is. We not into the customer service thing. Customer no run me out of my business. I am about the business. Customer nah rule inside there. Customer no run casual. A 3 chicken me a go make. Them lucky at 2 them I get today.
Alright. Me tell them, me put it on the board out there. And me tell them, no fried chicken today. Alright. We will do that. But you do soup, do
You really ask me that the question?
Alright, make me not say nothing more.
Oh.